aloha nui kako. This is Mahina Minute.
May 9th is Lono, the 8th po of the third and final anohulu of this malama. Lono is an especially good moon phase for planting and harvesting food plants like Kalo. Kalo is Hāloa, our elder brother, and every part of Kalo, his kinolau, is meant to give us life. Here's a recipe that uses the kalo, the haha, and the lau. Let's make kalo dumplings in luau gravy. First, steam or boil your kalo until the kalo can be pierced all the way through easily with a fork. Today we are using moi kalo from Ho'okua'aina Farms in Maunawili. Once kalo is cooked, you can easily peel the skin with a spoon or your thumb so we don't waste hāloa. For the dumplings, you will also need a cup of flour, a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, an egg, and salt and pepper. To keep the inside of the dumpling soft and light, use a pastry cutter or a ricer to process the kalo. On your work surface, mound the kalo shavings, make a hole in the center, add your egg, and mix. Sprinkle in your flour, add salt, pepper, the Parmesan cheese, and mix until the mixture forms a dough. Divide the dough into 4 separate pieces, then cut each piece into individual logs, about 1 inch wide. Sprinkle your work surface with flour to keep the dough from sticking. Roll each log into even rolls, then cut into 1-inch individual pieces. These are our dumplings ready to cook. Set aside for now and let's make our gravy. Wash 1 pound of lau kalo, roll together tightly and slice thinly, julienne style. Peel the skin from the haha and dice finely. Place the lau and the haha in a pot of boiling water and simmer for several hours until the luau is soft to the touch. Strain the excess water from the luau. You will have about a cup of cooked luau. Set aside. Place your dumplings in small batches in boiling water. The cooked dumplings will float to the surface in about 2 or 3 minutes. Let them cook a minute or so on the surface, then remove and drain. For our luau gravy, you will need butter, chopped onion and garlic, flour, coconut cream, and our cooked luau. Cook onions and garlic in the butter until they are translucent. Sprinkle in flour, whisk to combine, and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Whisk in coconut cream. Add salt and the cooked luau. Stir to combine. Add your dumplings to the gravy and stir to coat. Until the next Mahina Minute, e ola na ohana.